You're flying with a scientific crew on a dangerous mission to fly through one of the most powerful storms, a hurricane, to record the information that will help forecasters predict where and when the storm will hit land. Like all hurricanes, this one was born days earlier in the tropical waters around the equator. As the warm, moisture-filled air rises, the rotation of the Earth causes it to spin. As the winds increase and pick up more moisture, the cycle can build up into a hurricane. The first hint of a newborn hurricane usually comes from weather satellites or from ships in the vicinity of the storm. While most hurricanes travel the same general path, some go much further inland than others. The National Hurricane Center tracks the storm as it heads eastward. If it looks like it's headed for land, the hurricane watchers track it from the air. They ride through the strong winds circling near the center. The highest winds in this storm measure 230 kilometers or 143 miles per hour. They also measure the wind speed at various other areas in the widespread storm. With this information, scientists back at the Hurricane Center can more accurately predict the storm's path and give ample warning for people to protect their property and leave the area where the hurricane will probably hit the coast. When it finally does sweep on land, the people are prepared. This hurricane pushed water 4.5 meters or 15 feet higher than the usual high tide. As is often the case, the damage done by water was more severe than that caused by wind. A few hours later, the wind died down as the eye of the hurricane came ashore. As it passed, the other half of the hurricane swept in from the sea. Once over land, the storm begins to lose energy as it no longer has a supply of warm, moist air to build on. The friction of the wind wreaks havoc on the land, but weakens the storm even more. The hurricane could end up as a strong tropical storm, which eventually dissipates, or turn back out to sea and regain strength, and possibly head back inland, further up the coast. Scientists are gradually adding more information on how the many variables help generate and determine the direction of nature's most powerful storm, the hurricane.